In this tutorial, you will learn where to find your save files and config files in Alienware. First, open a folder, open your C drive, open users, open your usernames folder, click on View, select Show, click on Hidden Items, open the App Data folder. Open the Local folder. Open the Alone in the Dark folder. Open the Saved folder. Open the Saved Games folder. In here you will find your save files. Define your config file. Go back to the saved folder. Open the config folder. Open the Windows No Editor folder. Here you will find the game user settings.